It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 11th of January. I'm Michael Groff. We continue with above average temperatures under mostly sunny sky today. Clouds slowly increasing as we go through the rest of the week, and there is still a small chance we could see some rain in here for Thursday night through Saturday. But overall, it looks like significant precipitation is not likely. But what about the weather for next week? Is there any sign that we'll see a major change in the weather pattern? Let's talk about it. First, looking at the almanac from yesterday, 73 degrees the afternoon high, 49 was the morning low, the normal high 67, the normal low 45. Looking out there now at 9:35 a.m., sunny sky in the valley, and we are sitting at 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 26, relative humidity 27%, wind from the east-northeast at 10 miles per hour, and the barometer 30.33 inches and rising. The upper air analysis shows high pressure still in control here across the southwest. Low pressure to the south and west of us is contributing to a tightening pressure gradient, and that's why we have those breezy to locally windy east and northeasterly winds here. The watch warning map, pretty quiet out here across the southwest, but check it out in the northeast. Cold, very cold temperatures, wind chill advisories in effect there, and some winter weather advisories as well, with the snowflakes continuing to fly. The convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the country. In fact, hardly any thunder to be found, maybe a little bit there in far southern Florida. And a look at precipitation. This is valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, probably nothing or very little if we see anything at all. And just some very spotty light amounts over the east central and southeastern portions of our state, in association with an area of low pressure that will continue to meander our direction as we go later into the week and this weekend. Maybe just enough moisture around for some widely scattered showers. We'll talk about that right now as we get to the models. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Ridging continues out here across the southwest. The heights are above average, but check it out to the south and west of us, that developing area of low pressure well west of the Baja. And eventually that's going to lead to some clouds. But for today, mostly sunny sky, just a few passing high clouds, and high temperatures will be in the low 70s. Tonight, mostly clear, overnight lows in the 40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, a gradual increase in clouds, a mix of sun and clouds, and high temperatures low to mid 70s. On Thursday, that upper low continues to sit to the south and west of us. Some rain off of the Southern California and northern Baja coast. And there might be a sprinkle that develops someplace across the southwest here over Arizona's higher terrain, but overall it looks like the day in Phoenix will be dry, partly sunny, and high temperatures should be in the low to maybe even middle 70s. Now on Thursday night and going into Friday, we see evidence of enough moisture coming into the state to further increase clouds, thicken them up just a little bit. We might see some virga, maybe a couple of sprinkles, a few raindrops reaching the ground here across southern Arizona. A slightly better chance of a light shower over the east central mountains, the southeastern portion of the state. So in a nod to that, we'll put a small chance of rain into our forecast for this period. And high temperatures on Friday, again, still not going to cool off all that much. Highs back toward the upper 60s to near 70, which is still a little bit above average for this time of year. And it's really the same forecast for Saturday. Partly to mostly cloudy sky, a slight chance we could see a shower, and high temperatures remain pretty close to 70. On Sunday, still have some clouds around, partly cloudy, high temperatures again right around 70. And then by the time we go to Monday, the upper heights start to come down just a little bit. Broad low pressure remains well to the west of us off the California and Baja coast. And so a few clouds around from time to time, high temperatures, upper 60s. All right, here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 18th, an interesting pattern developing here with negative height anomalies well to the west of us, a broad low over the East Pacific, well west of the California and Baja coast. So with more of a westerly flow, we'll see plenty of mid and high level clouds returning to the forecast. High temperatures might come down another degree or two back toward the mid or maybe upper 60s. And then as we look out 10 days, this is Thursday the 20th, still that broad upper low remains to the west, a blocking pattern or a Rex block developing with broad ridging north of that low. So that system really not going to go anywhere. We'll still see plenty of high clouds around if this verifies, but of course we have seen a number of timing and intensity and positioning issues with regard to the evolution of this blocking pattern, so it remains to be seen. But in that setup, there would be moisture not far away from us, so it wouldn't take a whole lot to start to move that into the region for perhaps some chances of rain. And speaking of rainfall, checking that out here for the Phoenix area, running out through the 25th of January. This comes off of the European Ensemble. Pretty big model spread here, reflecting that uncertainty that I mentioned. You've got a few members that show no rain at all, going all the way up to one member showing as much as 2.5 inches. The ensemble mean is just a shade under 0.5 inch. So significant precipitation not expected, but we will watch those model trends as we always do. And then temperatures off of the national blend of models remaining above average for at least the foreseeable future. Maybe a little bit of cooler air starts to work its way in here next week, but overall, I don't expect to see any major cooling trends anytime soon. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. And as always, I invite you to check out my streaming station, KMGX, playing a lot of music, having a lot of fun over there. It's myself and the one and only Michelle involved in the operation of that entity. Of course, you can check it out by clicking on the link in the description or using your smart speaker. Say, Alexa, play KMGX live. All right, thank you so much for watching, all of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves an absolutely glorious Tuesday.